Hello my dear student, welcome to the class. I hope you people are practicing properly, you are doing your assignment, and I really appreciate your interest in the class. So I want you to continue class like this with full interest. Okay, so in this video we will continue where we have stopped yesterday. Okay, so in this video we will continue with the chapter 1. So we have done till page number 5. So in this video we will start with the page number 6. Question number 1. How many jali patterns can you see in this two photos? There are two photos given. One photo is here and one photo is here. So you have to determine how many jali patterns is here in the video. So starting from here, this is one pattern. This pattern and this pattern look similar, so I'll consider one as this pattern looks similar. So number 1, 2, 3, 4, and this pattern also looks similar, so I'll consider this as 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are no other jali pattern, isn't it? This inside there is also one pattern, but it is similar to this. So I'll say that there are 5 jali pattern in this two photos. You can also see properly. If there is any other, you can tell me. Okay, so your answer will be there are 5 different types of jali patterns that can be seen in the above two photos. Moving on to the next. So in this question, the wall is given, and in this wall you have to form a jali pattern. So jali pattern we have discussed in the previous question. So you can form any jali pattern here. Okay, so this will be a home assignment. So in the next question, draw some jharokha pattern on the wall here. You can set it black. So you have to draw a jharokha pattern. So many of us doesn't know what is jharokha, isn't it? Jharokha is a design or a pattern where we can see in those pattern in temple, balconies of some Raja and Maharaja in earlier days. Right now we will not see many time, but when we'll visit the monastery and all, earlier kingdom temple, where there we will see the jharokha pattern. So you might have visited those places, or you might have seen in the movie and all, right? So jharokha pattern looks like this, and they have asked us to get this said, so you can say it like this. Okay, so moving on to the next question, which is in page number 9. Where else have you seen an arc? Now arc we can see most of the time, so we will see this arc in arc in rainbow, bridge, tunnel. Right now we have saw in jharokha also, jharokha pattern, isn't it? So in those cases we can see arch. Moving on to the next question, which is in page number 10. This is interesting. Here we can learn many things. Okay, so listen it carefully. Which of these bricks have curved edges? Till now in bricks we have learned faces, isn't it? How to determine face, where is face actually present. So in this video we will learn about what is edges. Okay, let's discuss first what is edges. So I have given one figure here. This is a triangular prism. Here it is marked edge. Just see, I have written the definition also. The sharpened side of the blade of a cutting implement or weapon. When you have saw weapon blade, isn't it? From where we can cut, that will be a edge. If you have a sharp edge, if you have a blunt edge, so we will refer that edge, isn't it? So in any geometrical shape also, the side, okay, the side will referred as a edge. So for better example, I am using the previous box which I have used in the previous video or previous class. So this was your face, right? So the side, you can see this side will be referred as a edge. Okay, this will be a edge. So now in this question they have asked us to determine a curved edge. In which bricks we can see the curved edge? Curved means arc, where we have saw it right now in jharokha rainbow. So curved was present there. So in this question, you have to determine in which bricks the curved edges are present. So here you can see this. In this bricks the curved edge is there. In this bricks the curved edge is there. So I have taken the picture here. So this two figure represents the curved edges. Okay. So second question we have, how many faces do you see of the longest brick? So in the given figure there are many bricks given, out of which this represents the longest brick, isn't it? So how many faces do you see? I can see only one face. This face we cannot take because we have to move to other side, okay, in front of its side to see that face. Even this we cannot see, even this we cannot see, that side it is out of our reach. So we will consider only one faces of the longest brick. So our answer is, we can see only one faces in the longest brick. Okay. So third question we have, is there any brick which has more than 6 faces? So in our previous class we have learned that in a bricks or in a cuboid there is only 6 faces. Only 6 faces is there. So if you combine 2 to 3 bricks also, we will get 6 faces only, right? So we will have only 6 faces. No, the answer is no, there is no bricks which has more than 6 faces. I hope till here you people are clear. So we will stop here. We will continue in the next class with the same chapter. Okay, see you in the next class. Till then, keep practicing, stay safe and healthy. Thank you.